So Matsuura are predominantly a multi-pallet, 5-axis and horizontal machining company, building machines from the ground up to run unmanned for evenings and long weekends.
The MX520 from Matsuura was originally a single table 5-axis machine that was kind of aimed at the smaller but more ambitious machine tool companies that wanted to get into the concept of Matsuura. And you've made some upgrades, haven't you?
Yes, we have. So originally it was a single table machine, as you said, Lyndsey, and we've now moved that into a 4-pallet pull machine. And then we've listened further to our customers' demands and increased that now to 7 pallets.
Which I have recently seen at shows. And what you're doing is you're using height, aren't you? So it's the same footprint, but you're using the height of the pallet system. This is really impressive.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, we've double tiered our pallet pull. So the footprint is exactly the same on the 4 and 7 pallet model, but it allows the customer now to run for even longer unmanned, utilising Matsuura's unique pallet pull and automated systems.
And who are these machines aimed at?
These are aimed at subcontractors and larger OEMs, small businesses, originally with a 5-axis machine, single table, 2-man, all the way up to obviously OEM type companies.
Yeah, of course, your big blue chip businesses. But you've made changes in here as well, haven't you?
Yes.
Because we keep saying about 5-axis, but then you've gone next level now, haven't you?
Yes, so we've now added a turning table, true turning table to the machine. So we're able to run at 800 RPM with 500 Newton meters of torque on this table, machining components up to 520 diameter and 330 high.
Okay, and with that, who's this appealing to? Is it also, you know, different materials that we're talking about with the power that you've got behind the spindle?
Yeah, so this can obviously handle all types of steels now, and it allows the customer now to take maybe pre-opt operations or secondary operations that we would normally do on a lathe and add that in one operation now on the Matsuura.
Okay, so I think I've got the answer now because you've already said it, but who needs one of these in their machine shop?
So anyone looking to bring churning and milling under one machine tool to allow them to also run that unmanned for long periods.
Nice. Thank you, Simon.
Thank you.